Hello, drivers. Whether you're a beginner behind the wheel or a seasoned motorist, we've prepared an interesting and practical traffic rules challenge for you today. Take a close look at the situation shown on the screen and try to determine the correct answer before we explain it. Don't forget to leave your choice in the comments so you can compare it with the correct solution later. So, let's get started. Question: which driver is using the correct turn signal in this situation? A. The driver of the yellow car. B. The driver of the blue car. C. Both drivers are using the correct turn signals. D. Both drivers are using the wrong turn signals. E. No turn signal is required here. Feel free to pause the video right now and leave your answer in the comments. It'll be interesting to see how many of you get this one right. And while you're thinking, please take a second to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Your support helps us create more useful driving quizzes just like this one. Now let's break it down. At this intersection, two vehicles approach at the same time. Both drivers intend to turn right. Although there are no directional arrows painted on the road, we can clearly see a traffic sign indicating right turn only. This sign means that drivers approaching the intersection are allowed to proceed in only one direction, to the right. At first glance, this raises an interesting question. If turning right is the only legal option, is it even necessary to use a turn signal? After all, every road user already knows where the vehicle is going, right? This exact situation often sparks debates among drivers. Some believe that using a turn signal is unnecessary because the maneuver is obvious. Others still use a signal but disagree about which one should be activated. Many drivers argue that the right turn signal should be used because the vehicle is physically making a right turn. However, some drivers activate the left turn signal instead. Their reasoning is that drivers on the road they are entering may not be able to see the right signal clearly. They believe the left signal does a better job of showing their intention to merge into traffic. And to be fair, that logic may sound reasonable at first, especially in heavy traffic where drivers are trying to quickly understand the intentions of vehicles entering the roadway. But traffic laws are not based on personal opinions or convenience. They are based on clear and specific rules. According to traffic regulations, a driver must use a turn signal before starting a maneuver such as moving off, changing lanes, turning, or making a U-turn. The key phrase here is the appropriate signal. In other words, the signal must match the maneuver being performed. Since the vehicle in this situation is making a right turn, the driver must activate the right turn signal. Leaving the signal off completely is also incorrect. Even when a vehicle's intended path seems obvious, the requirement to signal does not disappear. Turn signals are not only for informing other drivers. They also help pedestrians, cyclists, and other road users anticipate your actions and make safer decisions. And that directly contributes to road safety. So the rule is actually very simple. If you're turning right, use your right turn signal. If you're turning left, use your left turn signal, even when the direction of travel appears obvious to everyone around you. Therefore, the correct answer is A. The driver of the yellow car. Congratulations to everyone who selected the correct answer. Let us know in the comments whether you got it right. And if you enjoyed this challenge, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more traffic rule quizzes, driving tips, and real-world road scenarios. Thanks for watching. Drive safely, stay alert, and we'll see you in the next video.